Hello class 3rd. Do you know how the birds talk? Let's listen this poem. We will read chapter number 6, Bird Talk. Watch this video, listen this poem carefully and learn it and read it from your book. Let's start.
Chapter 6 Bird Talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?